Good morning. This is just a little review tutorial on how to schedule your ILTs in the Flex Manager. So the first thing you need to do is open the Flex Manager, of course, and this is a three-step process. Step number one is to create a roster of the students you need. So you can check out the master schedule, and you're looking for these little ILT blocks in black. So I'll just go to Mr. Swingle right now. I'm going to schedule for Thursday, this first ILT, which meets from 9:10 to 9:30. I see that I have construction tech right after it. So when you schedule this ILT, you are going to roster the construction tech students to it because they are what happens right after the ILT. If I was on this one, I would schedule the IA4 kids into it. So this is the roster step. You'll click into rosters. You'll create a new roster. You're going to name the roster exactly like this. You put down which one it is. So this is Thursday, ILT. You put your name, Swingle, and then you put the time that it meets, 9:10 through 9:30. And that's exactly how you're going to name it. You'll take this and copy it and paste it into the description as well. The roster type is going to be synced. And then you're going to upload the students that are in this class. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to put, I saw lots of kids with Ann in it. So I guess I saw one. So Savannah Welty is going to be in this class for now. So then let's just pretend she's my only construction student. So then I will add this. And now I've got a roster that is synced. This is that new roster. And now the next thing you have to do is create the actual activity of ILT. And this goes the same exact way. We're going to go new activity. We're going to do the exact same thing. So paste it there and paste it there again. The next thing you're going to do down here is you're going to call it an ILT academics. You'll set the priority to required because you're going to make those students come to you at that point. You have to put in your room number, and I don't know his room number, so I'm going to put in 230 just for fun. Maybe not. There must not be a room 30. There we go. 236. That's my room. And then you're going to go over here to the right side, and you're going to roster students. Now you put default roster. I'm going to put Swingle. And it is this roster, which he already actually has made one of these, so I probably picked the wrong person, but I don't have another ILT. There we are. Savannah Welty is going to be going to this. It is a required class, and I'm going to add it. And now we have scheduled the roster of students. We have scheduled the activity itself. And now the third step here is to add this to your actual schedule. This is the important part where the admin keeps on saying about which week you're on. You have to figure out which week you're on so that you can schedule it. We are on the third week of September. We're talking about September 14th here. We're talking about Thursday, first ILT. I'll now schedule the activity, and we can schedule it out for the whole year. So here's all my rosters. I'm going to pick this one because that's the one I was talking about. I've got Savannah Welty in there. I've got everything is right. And now here's the last part to make it easy for yourself. Go down here to add and remove dates, and you're going to add bulk dates. You're going to let it go ahead and go to the end of June. Yep, I want this to be all the way to the end of June this way, and confirm. Now I'll save the activity, and you'll see that on Thursday during ILT from 9:10 to 9:30 with Mr. Swingle in room 236, I have that academic ILT. And that's all you need to do to schedule these ILTs. Just keep in mind you are putting in the students that are after your little black ILT time. If you don't have anybody, congratulations, you don't have anybody. Good luck.